Hello friends, how are you? I hope you are very well. Friends, today we will take some important questions with answer. It is important question for your LT exam. So first question is identify the figure of speech in the following statements. Love is an ideal thing and marriage is a real thing. Oxymoron, metaphor, simile, and antithesis. The right answer is antithesis. Antithesis is one idea is a set against another with the object of highlighting the effect of what is said by contrast. Second question is let's go to bed now. Oxymoron, metonymy, personification या pun. The right answer is metonym. Metonym, it is a substitution of things such as gray hair may be used for old age. Here bad is used for sleep. Humor is the shock observer of life and it helps us take the blues. Understatement, metaphor, simile, and personification. Right answer is metaphor. Metaphor. What is a metaphor? Metaphor, it is an implied simile, such as he is the pillar of the state. Burring, an alarm clock changed in the dark and the silent room. Oxymoron, apostrophe, onomatopoeia या simile. तो राइट आंसर इज onomatopoeia. तो onomatopoeia होता क्या, किसे कहते हैं हम? तो वर्ड्स through which sound convey the sense of the author. Means that the murmurs haunt of flies on summer eaves. Next is the quote, love looks not with the eyes but with the mind and the other, and therefore is winged Cupid, painted blind, a cure in Midsummer Night's Dream, Love's Labor Lost, Antony and Cleopatra, The Merry Wives of Windsor. तो ये जो आंसर है इसका, इट इज़ सेड इन अ मिडसमर नाइट्स ड्रीम. और किसके द्वारा ये बोला गया है? ये बोला गया है हेलिना के द्वारा इन एक्ट फर्स्ट एंड सीन फर्स्ट. ओके. एज कैन नॉट wither here, nor custom stale here infinity variety. तो as wells that end wells, Othello, Titus Andronicus, Antony and Cleopatra. तो राइट आंसर इज क्या होगा यहाँ पर? राइट आंसर, राइट आंसर है हमारा, एग्जैक्ट आंसर है हमारा, द एग्जैक्ट आंसर फ्रॉम एंटोनी एंड सिलोपात्रा. The seven-line stanza used by the medieval poets is known as Terza Rima, Rhyme Royal, Terza Meter या Internal Rhyme. तो इसका राइट आंसर है राइम रॉयल. राइम रॉयल, इट इज़ नोन एज द Chaucerian stanza of 7 iambic pentameter lines. Chaucer used it is in the Canterbury Tales. Elegies and sonnets are two types of, क्या हैं ये? Two types of poems. Next, in literature, point of views. Point of view refer to. Point of view क्या refer करता है? A point of view means when and where the story takes place. In fiction, the author's overall main idea and most important message is called the most important message को हम क्या कहते हैं? प्लॉट, कन्फ्लिक्ट, सेटिंग या थीम. तो मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट पॉइंट को हम कहते हैं थीम. तो द ऑथर्स मेन आइडिया और सब्जेक्ट और मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट मैसेज इन अ फिक्शन और स्टोरी इज कॉल्ड थीम. प्लॉट क्या होता है? अ सीरीज ऑफ इवेंट्स विच फॉर्म ऑफ द स्टोरी ऑफ अ नॉवेल, प्ले एंड फिल्म. कॉन्फ्लिक्ट क्या होता है? अ क्लैश और डिसएग्रीमेंट बिटवीन टू अपोजिंग ग्रुप्स. सेटिंग अ बैलेंस ऑफ कॉन्टेक्स्ट, मतलब कि एलजीज एंड सोनेट्स आर टू टाइप्स ऑफ. क्या है? एसेज हैं, फिक्शंस हैं, बायोग्राफीज हैं या पोएम्स हैं. तो ये क्या है? टू टाइप्स पोएम्स. एलजी इज एन एक्सप्रेशंस ऑफ अ ग्रीफ while the sonnet is a short poem of 14 lines. Next, in literature, point of view refer to. Point of view क्या refer करता है? Who the main character is, when and where the story take place, who is telling the story, and obstacle the main character must overcome. तो यहाँ पर इसका right answer होगा point of view means when and where the story take place. In fictions, the author's overall main idea and most important message is called plot, conflict, setting या theme. The right answer is theme. Theme, the author's main idea or subject or most important message in a fiction or story is called theme. Plot, the series of events which form the stories of a novel, play or film. Conflict, a clash or disagreement between two opposing groups. Setting, a balance of context and scenario according to the time, place and circumstances. Next question is repetition. Repetition of the same and similar consonant sound at the beginning of word is called. क्या कहते हैं? जब सेम कॉन्सोनेंट साउंड होता है तो उसको हम कहते हैं alliteration. Repetition of the same or similar consonant sound at the beginning of the word is called alliteration. Such as how high his honor holds his haughty head. तो यहाँ पर किसका रिपीटिशन हो रहा है? एच का रिपीटिशन हो रहा है. तो एच हमारा क्या है यहाँ पर? कॉन्सोनेंट. तो कॉन्सोनेंट साउंड की जब रिपीटिशन होती है तो उसको हम क्या कहते हैं? एलिट्रेशन. A statement that appears self-contradictory but that reveals a kind of truth. तो उसको हम क्या कहेंगे? उसको हम क्या कहेंगे? आयरनी कहेंगे, पैराडॉक्स कहेंगे, ओनोमोटोपोया कहेंगे या सिमली कहेंगे. तो राइट आंसर इज पैराडॉक्स. पैराडॉक्स होता क्या है? अ स्टेटमेंट्स विच अपीयर सेल्फ कॉन्ट्रडिक्टरी और ऑब्जर्व्ड yet in a way it makes a good sense is called paradox. Such as there is no one so poor as a wealthy miser. He that loseth his life shall save it. Father of our country and the great emancipator are example of analogy, epithet, allegory and foil. Right answer is epithet, a term used to characterize a person or thing. A type of comedy in which ridiculous and often stereotyped characters are involved in silly, far-fetched situation. तो इसको हम क्या कहेंगे? फार्स, पैरेबल, फैबल, सेंटिमेंटल कॉमेडी. राइट आंसर इज farce. When was John Milton born? 22 April 1600, 19 August 1604, 6 June 1606 या 9 December 1608. The right answer is John Milton was born on 9 December 1608. Where was John Milton born? John Milton born in London. In whose memory did John Milton write, "Methought I saw my late spouse sent"? Oliver Cromwell, Mary Powell, Catherine Woodcock, Charles I. Milton married Mary Powell in 1643, but after some time she left him, and then he wrote two strong pamphlets on divorce and said it in it. When was Paradise Lost published? 1660, 1667, 1658, 1654. Right answer is 1667. Paradise Lost was begun as early as 1658 and issued in 1667 in 10 books, later revised into 12. In which of the following works did Milton promote freedom of speech and oppose listening and censorship? Paradise Regained, Areopagitica, Iconoclasts, Samson Agonistes. The right answer is Areopagitica. Paradise Lost comprises dash books 12, 16, 10 या 14. The right answer is 12. Paradise Lost is written in free verse, blank verse, rhymed verse. The right answer is blank verse. Paradise Lost is written in blank verse. The famous line, "What though the field be lost, all is not lost," is spoken Adam, Eve, Satan, Beelzebub. The right answer is Satan. He is most famous for his narrative style, dramatic style, grand style, and alphabetic style. The right answer is grand style. The ode that completes the famous line, "Better to reign in the hell and then serve in dash sky, heaven, earth, moon." Right answer is heaven. Shakespeare belonged to the Restoration Age, Victorian Age, Elizabethan Age या Romantic Age. Right answer is Elizabethan Age. और एलिजाबेथन एज कब स्टार्ट हुआ था? 1550 to 1620. Who is known as the melancholy man in As You Like It? Touchstone, Silvius, Jacques, and Corinne. The right answer is Jacques. Next question is, which of the following is not a character in As You Like It? Rosalind, Celia, Orlando, Portia. Portia is not a character of As You Like It. Portia is a character of Merchant of Venice. Fortinbras is a character in Shakespeare's King Lear, Othello, Hamlet, and Julius Caesar. The right answer is Hamlet. द मेन थीम ऑफ द शेक्सपियरियन सोनेट इज, तो शेक्सपियरियन सोनेट का मेन थीम क्या है? लव। A Shakespearean sonnet ends with a couplet. The total number of sonnets written by Shakespeare is, तो टोटल नंबर ऑफ सोनेट हैं उनके 174, 154, 184, 194. राइट आंसर इज 154. In Galsworthy's Justice, the law is what it is, a majestic edifier sheltering all of us, each stone of which rests on another has been set by cast chief, lawyer, मैनेजर, जज. तो यहाँ पर जो राइट आंसर होगा लॉयर. इट इज सेड बाय द जज इन जस्टिस, द लॉ is what it is, a majestic edifier sheltering all of us, each stone of which rests on another. Satire, epic, elegy या odd. Right answer is elegy. Octave in a sonnet consists of octave, 8 lines, 6 lines. Which of the following phrases best characterizes the late 19th century aesthetic movement? Arts for intellect's sake, arts for God's sake, arts for the masses, art for the art's sake. The right answer is art for art's sake. Strophe, antistrophe and epode form of 3-part structure in a classic ode, a Greek chorus, a medieval ballad, a patrician sonnet. The right answer is a classical ode. Who said that in Paradise Lost book first, Milton belongs to the devil's party without knowing it? Frank Kermode, William Empson, C.S. Lewis या विलियम ब्लेक? तो राइट आंसर इज विलियम ब्लेक. Identify the figure of speech in the following statements. It was the best of times. It was the worst of times. Simile, metaphor, antithesis, oxymoron. तो राइट आंसर इज एंटीथेसिस. एंटीथेसिस में क्या होता है कि एक दूसरे के अपोजिट होते हैं. जैसे यहाँ बेस्ट एंड सेकंड उसमें है वर्स्ट. तो दोस्तों ये आपको जितने भी क्वेश्चंस थे विद आंसर आपको अच्छे से समझ आए होंगे और ये आपके अपकमिंग एग्ज़ाम के लिए भी बहुत हेल्पफुल होंगे.